So here is my budgeting sheet, because these numbers are not real, but it's just for an example. So hello again everyone, this is Siobhan with Ignorant Money Club, and today I'll be discussing budgeting. Budgeting is the foundation of any financial plan. Whether you're living paycheck to paycheck or you're a millionaire, it's always good to know what's coming into and out of your account so that you can allocate your funds appropriately. You could be monitoring your spending habits or saving for a big trip. Budgeting is that number one step in attaining any of your financial goals. So let's check it out. So I will be showing you guys what I do to create my budget sheet. It'll have fake facts and figures, but it's just an example of how easy it is to get done. But before we dig into that, I would like to define what budgeting is for you guys. So I'm going to go on Google and find a good definition. I like the one on Investopedia. And it defines budget as an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is usually compiled and reevaluated on a periodic basis. So in layman terms, it's just a nice little sheet that shows what your income is and what your expenses are and what's left over. And it's something that should be what? Reevaluated on a periodic basis. This is not a one and done. This is not a one and done. This is something that needs to be edited, revised, and revisited as your financial situation changes. Preferably monthly and or as needed. So let's dig into it. So here is my budgeting sheet, because these numbers are not real, but it's just for an example. So all this really is just writing out the money that's coming into your account every month, the money that's coming out, and then seeing what's left over so you can allocate it however you want to. That's all budgeting is. It's not as scary as we all make it to be. And it actually doesn't take that much time if you know what your bills are. And if you don't, you need to know what your bills are. Okay, so like I said, money in, so your paycheck, any additional income that's coming in on the side, and then money out. Be as detailed as possible. You want this to be a true depiction of your bank account. You want this to be a true depiction of your spending habits, your earning, and everything. All of that, anything that you make payments towards every month should be on here. So for instance, I have housing, HOA, utilities, my home security system, gas, transportation, groceries, car note, car insurance, student loans, credit card, Banfield Pet Hospital because I have pets and I pay for pet care, real estate dues, yoga, Wi-Fi, Netflix, Spotify, Clubhouse, phone bill, all of it on your budget sheet, all of it on your budget sheet. You can even go in and add the extra stuff like hair and nails. Put it in there if this is something that you're doing every month. I'm just going to put some fake numbers here, but hair and nails. We can even go back in here and add another row for shopping if that's something we treat ourselves to every month. Just make it realistic for you. Don't lie on your budget sheet. That's only hurting you. You want to see your spending habits, like I said, and you want to know what you need to do to save for anything you're saving for in the future. So don't let this scare you. It is what it is. It's just a snapshot of your accounts, and it just helps you make better decisions, or not necessarily better decisions. It just helps you make decisions about what you want to do moving forward with your finances. So I'm going to add my hair and nails and shopping to my pie chart. And I love numbers because it literally spits out my expense pie chart over here to the side. It's not necessary, it just looks pretty. But And then also it's color coded. And this is the number I really care about right here. The income minus expenses, my money that's left over. That's the cash that I really need to know about, so I can allocate it, save it, invest it, travel with it. That's the money I want to know I have every month at the end of the month. So yeah, these are all, and this is all very basic, simple math, you know, for your money coming in. Again, you know, your total is just adding all those income amounts, and then your money coming out is just all your expenses added together to get that total number. And then to get your money left over, it's just income minus your expenses. Boom. That's it. That's budgeting. Budgeting 101. If you're afraid of using these Excel sheets or numbers, and if you don't feel like setting this stuff up yourself, there's also templates online that you could use. You can literally just search budgeting templates. These are things that you can print out and type in yourselves, or handwrite in yourselves and use a calculator and just go at it. And then if you wanted to use Excel, you could do that also. Let's see. There's templates on everything. Look, personal budget right there. Create. Everything you need is right here. It even has pre-filled expenses for you. You just type and fill in what you need. You can put the dates your payments are due, so you'll have like little reminders for yourself. But everything is here. Like, this is even easier than the one I did because it has everything pre-populated for you. You're just filling in these amounts and then looking at your savings. So that's budgeting in a nutshell. I think everyone should just take a little 5 minutes, 5 to 10, 20 minutes to do this. Like I said, it's the foundation of any type of financial planning. And it's been very beneficial in my life. I've made a lot of adjustments to my spending habits after seeing it all in my face. Like, do I really need to be paying for, you know, all these subscriptions every month, or can I get rid of the ones that I really don't use? So in summary, if you're trying to stop overspending, reach your financial goals, save money, stop worrying about money, have more flexibility with your money, and just put yourself in control. You know, money shouldn't be controlling us. We should be in control of our money. And honestly, budgeting is step one in doing that. It's very simple. Before you go, you know, reach out to a financial advisor. This is something that you can do in the comfort of your home, you know, privately and personally on your laptop to just understand what's coming in and what's coming out. So just take a deep breath. It's okay. You know, get all your bills together, compile them, and just go for it. It's a very useful activity, and it'll give you a nice overview and snapshot of your current financial standing, and then you can move on from there. I think it's very beneficial. Again, this is Siobhan with Ignorant Money Club. Take notes.